In this video, I'm going to show you how to install NFS Server and NFS Client on Ubuntu Linux. So we're going to install the packages. Apt-get install nfs-kernel-server, and the next package is nfs-common. I have already pre-installed the packages. So next is we will create a directory for the client. So let's create home/client1, and then change ownership, nobody, no group, home client1, then change mod 755 home client1, then next is we will edit etc exports file, then below you can see the home/client directory, and then you have to put the client IP address. And then also, if you want to add another directory, you can do so by adding example var www, and then you also have to indicate, or you also have to put the IP address of the client, and then rw sync no sub3 check, and then rw sync fsid0 cross mnt no sub3 no sub3 check, no root squash. And then if you want to add some more directories, you may do so by just adding the IP address of the designated client. Next, let's configure the client. So apt-get install nfs-common. The next step is you have to make a mounting point for all the necessary shared files. So mkdir -p mnt nfs home client1. So you have to take note that this is the mounting point from the server. Then you may also add another mounting point. Example mkdir -p var www. Mount the IP address of the server, colon, and then the shared directory, which is home client1, and then the mounting point of that directory, which is mnt nfs home client1. then press enter. If you have another mounting point, just type mount, IP address of the server, var www, and then mounting point, var www, and then again press enter. If there are no errors, you may go to the designated mounting point directory to check if the directory has been properly mounted. So to test, you may create a simple text file. You have to take note that you have to put it inside the mounted directory. Next is, we want to make sure that every time you restart or reboot, the shared directory will be automatically mounted on the client. So you have to edit your fstab. From the client side, you have to indicate the IP of the server, and then the shared directory as well as the mounting point. Then NFS, RW, sync, hard, INTR, and then 00. If you have another mounting points, all you have to do is indicate below. So in this example, it's the server IP address, var www, var www, and then NFS, RW, sync, hard, INTR, and then 00. Once you're done, save your file. To check whether your fstab is working, restart your Linux client. And then the shared directory of the server will be automatically mounted on your client. So that's it. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoy.